Welcome to Mysk Moon Retreat. My name is Sheikh Mahmoud Amouri and I will be your guide through your culinary journey today. Adventurer by day, poet by night. This is how we describe Mysk Moon Retreat. A perfect place to do it yourself environment where you can disconnect with the outside world and connect with nature through a true hands-on glamping experience. Mysk Moon Retreat is the latest addition to the Sharjah collection by Mysk, a group of distinctive boutique hotels, eco-retreats and resorts located throughout the Emirate of Sharjah. Let me show you how to set up your barbecue station. Your barbecue station is provided with cooking utensil, charcoal tongue, and a chimney. Using a bowl of tissue and 2 igniting cubes, we light up the charcoal. We have the chimney filled with charcoal. While this is igniting, we'll just place it on top. We need to wait for the charcoal to get ignited properly. For safety measures, your barbecue station is also provided with a fire extinguisher. While you enjoy the best of the glamping experience, we want your taste buds to do the same. That's why we provide you with a prime cuts of meats and seafood that's made ready by the chefs of Mysk Hotel. Enjoy your barbecue dinner.